All right, guys. Before you move in, you want to have the test of tests, and we did. We have a really good rain that came through, man. It just hadn't stopped raining. And so I get a chance to come out here and check everything out. And what you want to see is you want to see waters coming out your pipes. Yeah, this is what you want to see. One of them is a drain tile, and the other one is for the gutters. So this is what you want to see. We got everything tied in. You want to see that water coming out. You want to see this water coming in this little swell right here. It's coming on around here. You want to make sure that this geo blanket is holding up, and it appears to be holding up really good. We still got a little water coming over the top side, but this thing is holding up, guys. It's holding up all the way around. We don't have any erosion getting on our gravel. This right here over here is, well, this is supposed to be dry, but we got all our water is moving the way it's supposed to be moving. This is what you want to see. My blanket is holding up. All I got to do is now get grass. I got to put a little bit over here on this side. But this is, all this right here is going to be full of grass. But we got to get some growth in, guys. We got to, you guys got to be patient with it and let nature do its thing. So this is all looking good. We got a little swell here. We got a little water here, but it should be going over there. It's not going to get much higher than that. So that's what you want. Jeez. And it rained really, really good, guys. I also have a blanket down here keeping the erosion out of the road. So we got that over there. I got to work on this stuff over here as well, guys. So that's what we got. But let's come in here, man. Let's look at some of the things that the inspector worried us on. Now, this is another thing, guys. Let me see if I can make sure my screen is. This right here, I'm going here, guys. I've been punching this house out since I've been here, guys. So what I've been doing is, as I've been walking through the house, and I know I've done a bunch of videos on this right here, and I've been coming back and going back and forth and stuff like that. And I just really been punching this house out as I go, so that when I call for my final inspection, I don't have a lot of things. And not only that, when I do my punch out for the house, I don't have a lot of things that need to be done. Now on here, this is the garage. We have a partition. So the garage versus the living space. This door right here is supposed to be, supposed to have a 1 hour fire rating. And it's on the documents on the door. But also this door, a code item that we have is that this door is supposed to self-close. So I should, that door is supposed to close by itself, like I have it doing. And so these are some of the ratings on the doors right here. So it has to have that on there, guys. So we have that. And I set these things on. These are some springs that I set. So make sure that, guys, when you get those doors, they have to be fire rated. This is another thing that the inspector, they just had an issue with this right here, man. They just couldn't stand this right here, guys. I actually had the shower head up here, and the inspector said that the water from the shower head is going to go over here. That would happen if it's draining straight down. I mean, if you got it aimed over here at the window. Water's supposed to discharge on a non-absorbing surface. And the problem that he had here is we don't have that threshold here, guys. We have this right here. We have a zero curve shower drain. If I'd had that threshold here, like you step over right here, he'd have been okay with that. But this is just something totally new for a lot of these guys. So it takes them time to adjust to it. So I put it right here for the time being, but once we get it done, I'm gonna put it right back up here. Another thing we had, guys, is we had to have a shutoff valve for the pot filler. So that's the shutoff valve right here for the pot filler on the other side of this wall. We'll look at that in just a second. I'm also going to put power right here because I got a powered mirror that's going to go right here. Um, but this is the pot filler right here. So we got the pot filler there, and you got to have a shut off. But he had to gouge out all this right here to get up in there. And we also, in order to do that, change that shower thing, man. And I don't know why when sheetrock guys did it, they fixed it, guys. We shouldn't have fixed this right here. But the guys, we had a little area that we cut out to work on that side. So it worked out, guys, with this little room here. This is a butler's pantry. And I'm going to actually put cabinets in here. So it's not going to look like this right here. It's going to totally look different when we get in here, guys. My units has been holding, guys. I kind of got my units set at around 65. And that's about all I need, especially if, let me see, come on, buddy. Especially if the humidity is holding, guys. So I just kind of came over here, man. Hopefully we'll close on this bad boy this week and we can go ahead and move in soon. See, what is the humidity? Humidity is at 56, and probably the humidity is that way because it's very, it's raining outside, so you got a lot of humidity. And I don't have my ERV on yet. So he hit me on that. What else did he hit me on? He hit me on a lot of little stuff, man. Let's go upstairs, show you. Oh, they hit us on these. This is some crazy stuff, guys. They hit us on these P-traps. Let me show you these guys, these P-traps here. So we had to go buy some special type of, not P-trap, but these right here are plumbing vent covers. We had to get some special covers for these right here, guys. Those are not your regular typical vent covers that we have here. Those were like specialized that we had to get ordered from, it's just something they changed this year, man. It's always something. These guys are reading stuff each year and coming up with stuff. So we got that, but the HVAC guy, we got a lot of little stuff going on up here, guys. And this is something these guys want to make sure you keep in mind. Get some light on up here. So he had an issue. So guys, you gotta have a platform going all the way to that unit. That thing right there is making noise. It's vibrating, making a lot of noise. But you gotta have a platform where the guy can get here and maintenance that unit. So we had to have that there. We had to have that insulation right here. That little insulation had to be put there, and some kind of little trap had to be put there as well. So those were some things that he got us on, man, but that was something that the HVAC guy could do. So they got us on that. We hadn't even had the electrical yet. We had some items in here. Same thing. So we had to have that platform all the way here. So I put that there. I put that there. It looks not so good. So this is also a good opportunity, guys, for me to just kind of really walk through the house just to make sure we don't have any additional leaks. I can kind of look around just to make sure I'm looking around, making sure there. I mean, I had a leak over here at one point in time, but I think we fixed that. You know, so that when we move in, guys, this is one of the few times that I just wanted to come in and just address everything. I don't want anything left for me to have to deal with. You know. Now the painters put the switches back on, but I don't like the way they put them on, guys. I always take these things right here and turn them vertical. They turn them like this, I don't know why. But you usually turn them vertical because if there's some kind of condensation that goes, it can drain down and won't cause this right here on the inside of these screws to rust. So something else that we got hit on, guys. I still got to fix this right here. This is one of my last thing I got to do on my door, on my sliding door. First, I'm going to spray that stuff out here. I got to order the stuff. They don't sell it at the place anymore, at the landscape place. But I got to order that stuff that you spray in here, and it hardens all these pebbles in here so they don't move. We're gonna come in and broom, brush all this, get it level, and then we're gonna spray it again and glue everything down so these pebbles won't move. He got us on this right here. That had to be sealed. I tried to help my guy out and do it myself, but I didn't do a good job at it. Then we had to have an access panel right here, which I don't know if I'm gonna paint that. I don't know. But guys, you guys kind of see how this right here stain turned out, man. And like I said, guys, this is something that my last customer, man, these guys came in here and he just came in there and just painted all that white. And you take advantage of this nice texture that you have. And guys, this whole house is gonna look totally different once we get the cleanup crew to come in here and do that thing. So we got to stain this door too. I got to work on this right here too, guys. I broke a fingernail. So this is what this looked like. So these posts turn out pretty nice, really nice. And then I like the way it changes colors up here. Oh man, that looks really nice, man. I like the way these guys did that. So we got, guys, I didn't need these handrails here. And they're good and solid too, man. So we got to paint the steps. But I didn't need those handrails there. Actually, I'm gonna put a piece to go across here too, as well. But this right here, I like those things right there, man. That header beam. We can see our water is actually working the way it's supposed to work. It's jumping right here. We put a gutter right there, as well as a piece of flashing there. It's going inside of these gutters. Remember, guys, I said that leaves are not going to get in those gutters. We got that all worked out. And I'm just looking at everything. We got a nice little drainage going this way. This right here is draining toward this way. So stain that door. But guys, this right here, what you want to do is make sure everything's working. I don't want to have any projects when I move in. I don't want to have any side projects. Well, I got to knock this out the way. I'm not going to do that anymore. I used to do that back in the day. Yeah, we're not going to do that anymore. We're going to get these guys, not even the backyard, nothing. There's not going to be anything that I'm sitting up saying, well, I'll take care of that, a weekend warrior type stuff. I'm not going to do that stuff anymore. Once I get in here, I'm in here, and then I can focus on doing my content and building more houses. I got a few more houses got to come out the ground. And we're going to be dealing with that. That way I can kind of take you guys through those as well. We got a lot of matte black going on in here. Matte black is everywhere. All right, guys. Like, share, subscribe, and remember, this is the way.